Hey guys, King's on Fanboy here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another Orion construction update, and oh boy, they've started on the lift hill. Look at that, the lift hill. They have started on it. There's supports in it. It's going up, so they finally started on the lift hill. If they're going at this rate and they're installing lift pieces like this in weeks, depending how many lift pieces there are, we will be able to get this lift done by Winterfest, which would be awesome if they do top the lift off by Winterfest. So construction is moving along really nicely. Finally got a lift piece in. Looks like they haven't really changed on the turnaround. Looks like the crest of the lift piece is right there too. So luckily we are finally moving along in construction. So, well, that's about it. You started on the lift. Very awesome that they have finally started on the lift. So, yeah. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.